Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, businesses are moving to the cloud for flexibility and control, and Acumatica is one ERP that's getting serious attention. Is it worth switching to? Let's break it down. Acumatica is a cloud-based ERP that brings finance, inventory, CRM, and project management into one platform. It offers real-time visibility, powerful automation, and flexible deployment without per-using licensing limits. Built for growing companies, Acumatica adapts to different industries while giving teams the tools they need to scale efficiently and work smarter. Acumatica helps businesses modernize operations without the heavy complexity of traditional ERP systems. If you're looking for a modern cloud ERP in 2025, Acumatica delivers flexibility, control, and scalability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.